Hey guys, it is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com, and I am back with the case study series. We are teaching you how to make your first sale in 30, 90 days, 14 days. It just depends on how fast you want it to happen. I really want to say 30 days, but sometimes it takes 3 months. I was really betting on that Shopify free trial to just give you guys some grace, but that 14 days, a little fire up under my ass. So I'm going to stick with 30 days. 30 days, we're going to make that sale. If you say it, you believe it, you write it, you will achieve it, okay? So if you are following along with me and you are watching this video, you're gonna make some money, okay? That we just gonna put that out there. That's what's gonna happen, okay? So if you are new to my channel, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. Today we're here with social media part 2, and we're gonna talk about Pinterest. We're gonna talk about email, and we are gonna talk about Privy. It's about the same thing, but I enjoy both. So here is the Pinterest account. We're going to go ahead and hit sign up. So Google came over and popped up and was like, yeah, y'all go ahead and use it, So it said, looks like you don't have an account. And I don't. So I'm going to hit sign up with Sloth Loft. It just popped up and said, do you want to use Google? Do you want to use Pinterest for Google as Sloth Loft? And that was actually pretty easy to set up Pinterest. So it says, welcome to Pinterest, Sloth Loft. And I'm just going to hit next. So it doesn't matter what we are, who we are, but I'm going to put female because I don't know that other stuff. So I'm going to identify as a female. There we go. Pick a language, English, right on the money. Pick at least 3 categories you want to explore. Animals. Let's see what else. Quotes and travel. Now I'm pick 5 more. Let's see, all animals. Funny animal pictures, that's be good for memes and stuff for Facebook. Baby animals, wild animals, some life quotes, and travel destinations. I hate that they make you do this stuff because then it quickly gets your feed junky, okay? I hate that when they make you pick stuff and they don't give you options. So now I got all this shit here that who said I wanted, okay? But let's just keep going. Look at that. Ain't that a baby sloth? See, that's what we need for our profile picture. So somebody says, oh my gosh, look at that sloth. All right, so we are going to fix up our profile really quick. I'm gonna put our photo in there. I'm gonna use our handy dandy logo. Let's use the softer side over here. We got our Sloth Loft username, all things Sloth Mission. We are in Fort Lee, Virginia. Okay, let's see, account settings. You can use Google to log in. You can convert this account to a business account if you want to, up to you. Eventually we might do that. Your website, make sure you clean that. So there's our website. Okay. So we haven't done this yet, so we're not gonna do that yet. I'm just hit submit even though we ain't done it yet. So that's so we can claim our website, all right? So you can claim your Instagram, YouTube, and all that. That's just up to you. On Pinterest, how do you want notifications, privacy, security, apps? Basically, your Pinterest account is set up. At least I thought it was. Did I not save the picture? Let's try that again. It's always a step missing when you be out here trying to do stuff. Oh, I didn't hit done. My bad. All things All Love Nation. And bump the location. Okay, so now we can go back. And we have our Sloth Love Pinterest account. Like I said, we're not pinning anything right now, but I wanted to show you how to set it up. That will be in another video, how you can pin stuff to your Pinterest board, okay? So the next thing we're going to talk about is MailChimp. So I'm going to accept all these cookies, and then you can sign up for free. I'm not going to use my prior account. I'm just going to set you guys up with a whole new account. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube of how to set up a MailChimp account and how to entice people with a freebie, which will be amazing if you could set up an email list to deliver a freebie. I don't know if I'm going to have time to do all of that in a video, but there are lots of videos on YouTube to show you how to do that. Okay, so I set up the MailChimp. Jesus, I set up the MailChimp. I'm going to hit sign up. We've sent a message to your email, so let's go to our email and see what MailChimp sent us to verify our account with them. All right, so Pinterest want us to confirm our email. Let's do that really quick. Okay, I'm gonna confirm my email. Okay, that was just us confirming our Pinterest. And now we are going to activate our MailChimp account. I am not a robot. Oh, it says. Oh, wait, no, we're here. Now, where did that come from? How did we get on Wattpad? Okay, that was weird. Are you human? All right, let's try this out. Okay, so now we are here. We are going to select that free 99. We got 2,000 contacts. And that's what we're going to rock with. For that free plan, you can send 10,000 emails. You can have 2,000 contacts. And within the first 30 days, unless you do some super ad sales, you're probably not going to have 2,000 contacts. but it's amazing to, you know, have that. So let's go ahead and finish up setting up our account. So we have our name. Name of our business is Sloth Shop. Do you have a website? Yes. I'm gonna hit continue. So I'll just keep that right there. I don't know who address that is, if it even exists. Do you have any contacts? No, we don't have any yet. I'm gonna hit continue. What are we planning to do? What are we planning to offer? We are offering physical goods and possibly, no, we're just gonna say physical goods. And we're just gonna leave that as that. Do you sell things online? Yes. Why, yes, we do. Success stories, I don't want to clog my email with any of that, so I'm not going to get any of that stuff. So you have set up your MailChimp account so far. We will have to come back to this because we do not have our actual store set up yet, but MailChimp and Shopify don't talk directly to each other like they used to, but Privy and MailChimp does. If you want to go in here and do your profile and do your picture, that is cool, but I don't think people see your picture on your email. But for this sake, we are going to go ahead and upload our logo on this site so no one says, girl, you skipped over all the stuff that we really wanted to know. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're going to put our little picture right there for our logo, and if there's any other information, nope. All right, so that's it for the MailChimp, and then we're going to go over to Privy. Now, I don't know if you can set up Privy or like right now without Shopify, but in Shopify, Privy has an app that I love to use. So let's see what it says if you hit try Privy for free. Okay, so you can sign up with Google or you can sign up with Shopify. I really want to wait and sign up with Shopify, but I want to let you guys know of this website. So when we do our actual Shopify store, when we sign up, Privy will be one of the apps that we use, okay? So that was social media part 2. Taught you guys how to just set up your Pinterest, how to set up your email list, and talk to you guys a little bit about Privy. I don't know if I'm going to do a social media part 3, but I feel like I should. But if I do it, I'm going to come prepared, meaning I'm not going to show you how to create a post. I'm just going to come and show you how to post it. You should be able to craft your own post. So when I come, I just want to come with a plan and I want to execute it. So say you got Facebook, all right? So if I come to Facebook and I said, okay, well, I want to make sure I post a picture of a sloth and this and a sloth, I want to come with it already done. So then I show you how I upload it, because I'm really just using Canva to create most of my graphics and different websites to use it. So I think I want to craft a plan of all the social media posts that I want to post for my first post, and then I'll craft those already and then come back and show you guys a video of me posting and updating the social media sites, right? So don't forget to comment on this video, ask your questions, like, subscribe, hit your notification bell. You can check out my courses on gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. And thank you guys for watching. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.